Hi everyone, I'm going to make today Creama Fruita. So we have 1 can of fruits here, fruit cocktail, and we have condensed and evaporated milk. And also we have cream cheese here. So, and also graham. So now I'm just all gonna open this and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make my Creama Fruita. So we just have to open everything. It's a fruit cocktail. And now we just have to put 1/2 of this cream cheese. So it's 4 ounces of cream cheese. So we put 4 ounces of that, and you put the condensed milk. I guess 1/2 of the condensed milk, and if we try later that it needs more, we can add more. And we're going to use the hand blender so it's more easier. Now add 1/2 of the evaporated milk, 1/2 of the can. It's good now. I'm just gonna drain the fruits. Look at that. Add a little bit of heavy cream, and we have to blend it also. It's like 150 ml. Now you have to put the heavy cream that we blend through the cream, and we just have to mix that. Okay guys, we have to put it together now after we finish the filling. Okay, put your graham in here. We are going to add the fruit on the top of that. This is the Filipino food recipe. So, just put the cream. You can add mango if you like. it's basically it's like layer by layer and layer by layer. You know, just put it like that. You can add more fruits if you like to. And then we have to freeze this for about 4 hours, and then we can have our dessert. Creama Fruita, and then we just put it in the freezer now.